Welcome, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a new preset. Before we start, here are some before and after photos with the new preset applied. Lightroom presets are a great place to start when editing your photo. Cultivate an aesthetic and make your feed look incredible, or apply something unique to make your image really stand out. Let's begin. Open the basic section. Temp, -20. Tint, +40. Exposure, +0.45. Contrast, +60. Highlights, -55. Shadows, +35. Blacks, +60. Clarity, +30. Vibrance, +20. Saturation, -15. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve as follows. Let's make these changes to the red curve. Make the following changes to the green curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the HSL section. Red. Saturation, +15. Luminance, -15. Orange. Hue, +50. Saturation, +40. Luminance, -15. Yellow. Hue, +50. Saturation, +15. Luminance, +55. Green. Hue, +95. Saturation, +50. Luminance, -80. Aqua. Hue, -20. Saturation, +5. Blue. Saturation, +5. Luminance, plus 15. Purple. Hue, minus 50. Saturation, plus 60. Luminance, minus 50. Magenta. Saturation, plus 5. Luminance, plus 40. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, plus 230. Saturation, plus 5. Luminance, minus 50. Change the highlights. Hue, plus 150. Saturation, plus 20. Ensure Remove Chromatic Aberration is ticked in Lens Corrections. Open the Effects section. Post-crop vignetting. Amount, minus 30. Feather, plus 90. Highlights, plus 30. And we're finished. Now it's time to save your preset so you can use it again in the future. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.